What is the name for electric currents that regularly changes direction? Alternating current. Why is oil-resistant Shadow cord rated for 20A instead of 15A like most household cords? The 12-gauge wire can safely carry more current than 14-gauge. Can you plug this transformer into an indoor outlet and run wires outside? Yes, as long as the outlet is GFEI protected and the low voltage side is outdoor rated. Why doesn't this sensor need thick, for example, 12-AUG wiring? It only sends a low current signal to detect a vehicle. What does Thun tell you about this wire? It's rated for heat, moisture, and wet locations but not direct burial.